Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing 2 drawing tutorials. So what I'm going to be drawing today is a cute little bear and a little cute face. So yeah, let's get started. So you will need a pen, a surface to make your drawing clean. I mean, not really clean, but you know, a stable surface, like a table or a box, and paper. So, you're gonna want to take your pen and first draw a 6. Draw a 6. And you're going to be wanting to make a backward 6. So you're gonna want to make like that. But I'll make a bigger version just so you guys can see. So you should have the forward 6 right here. Oh wait, that's mirrors. So you're gonna want to have a forward 6 on this side and a backward 6 on right here. Then you're just going to want to repeat steps 1 and 2, but you're going to want to go under here and do the steps. Feel free to pause the video. So, just don't mind this little version then. I'll just use the bigger one. So anyways, you're just going to want to connect with like a line, kind of like that. Just to connect the bottom. And next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make the outline from the head, starting from like that, like kind of like that, just like go like that right here, like you just go like that, just go like that. Okay, so you're just going to want to just make that to be the head. And what you're going to do next is that you're going to want to make the 2 little bear ears. So you're just going to make one ear like that, and then the other like that. This could also be a panda, but I would like to call it a bear. So the next step is that you are going to want to add another shape inside of the ear to make like the insides, like this. This is how your drawing should look so far. Don't mind about right here. I just made a little mistake. So yeah. You can add any head accessories. I'm gonna just add a crown. But you can add bows, hats. You can add any head accessory you want to the bear, but I'm just gonna go with the crown. Or you can do no head accessories. So next you're gonna want to make the eyes. So you're just gonna make a big circle and another big circle. Easy, right? But this might be a tricky part. So you wanna make one part there and another part. So you want to make sure that there's like 3 parts. This is where you're gonna color in and like just like repeat the steps I'll show you what to do with the layers of the eyes. So, in this second layer right here, you're just going to put lines inside. Kind of like that. This is how your drawing should look so far. So next, you're going to want to take the first big layer and just shade that in with your pen or pencil. You can also do this with colored markers or Sharpies. And I'ma just like move the way how I move the paper around just to make sure there's no out of the lines. And just repeat the steps on the other eye. Okay, so you can add, this part is optional, but you can add eyelashes to the bear or eyeliner, or you can just do none, but I'ma just add a little bit of eyelashes to this bear. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is to make the nose and the mouth. The nose and the mouth are pretty much easy, I would say. So what you're gonna do with the nose is you're gonna draw an upside down triangle. Then you're gonna want to make 2 lines. Like that. And you can add a little tongue sticking out if optional. That's just optional. If you guys don't want that, you can just leave it like that. I'm gonna just leave it like it is. So the final thing you can do is you can add any accessories such as necklaces or any decorations you would want. You can even put hair on your bear. Just make it how you would like it. And if you don't want any accessories, then that's fine. So the final thing you need to do is obviously name your bear. So I'm going to name it Honey the Bear. Honey the Bear. That is it for the bear tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how to make a face. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to make a face. I just like ripped half of it off because I thought we wouldn't really need that half because like it would be pretty small and stuff. So yeah. So what you're gonna do to make a face is obviously you need the head. So you're just gonna do a circle as the head. And for the 2 little eyes, like we did for the bear, we're going to do those same steps. So you can either rewind the video or you can just watch me do it all again. If you guys know what I'm talking about, these are the eyes that I'm talking about. So you can just do those by yourself, or you can just watch me do the steps all over again. it's optional. You don't have to do these kind of eyes. You can do any other eyes you prefer. You might not like this style, but I'm just going with this one, you know? So I made like a little cute face. Instead I just did some eyeliner and stuff. So yeah. Feel free to pause the video if you are not done yet. So, because I'm just gonna move on to the next step. So the next step is the nose. So you're gonna want to draw the nose. Any shape you want. I'm just gonna use this one. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just gonna make that kind of nose. You can make like this nose maybe, or this nose, or this nose. Like those are pretty much like options of noses. If you prefer any of these ones than the one that I did. But again, your drawing doesn't have to be the same as mine. So next you want to do is the lips or the mouth. So you can either make the mouth closed, kind of like this. That's the closed kind of mouth. And if you want an open mouth, you can do this, or you can make it a bit tinier, or you can do this. Whatever is your style of mouth, you can do that. I'm just going to do the closed lips. So pretty much the tutorial of the closed lips is to just like go up and then up, kind of like that. And then you're just going to want to make a curvy line underneath and separate with a line through. That's basically the tutorial of the closed lips, and I'm doing that right now, as you can see over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna, you can also do hair, which is optional, but I only did a tutorial for the face, but I can just do the hair for you too. So I'm just going to speed up this process, and I will show you what the ending result is. Okay, so this is my finished result of the drawing. I made a girl. You can do a boy, but I'm going to be doing a boy in my future tutorials, so you guys better watch out for that video. And I just really named my girl or character Ashley. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you in my future videos. Bye! Okay guys, this is my finished result. And like the thing, oh my god. So this is my finished result. I'm going, no. So guys, this is my ending result of my little girl. You can do a boy one, which I might do in my future art tutorials. But yeah, this is just my girl, and I'm going to, I'm going to name her Ashley. Ashley. Doesn't that name suit her? So guys, I hope you like this video. Let me just close off the pen. Okay, let's just redo that. Hey guys, I'm so sorry guys. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a drawing tutorial. So I'm not going to be showing my face in this one just because my hair will maybe like get in the way of the drawing. So I'm going to first show you how to make a cute little bear. So what you will need is a pen, a surface like a table or box just to make your drawing stable and nice, and obviously paper. So yeah, let's get started. Wait, that was a bad intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and oh my god.